In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to show the Microsoft Word ribbon. Have you ever opened a document in Microsoft Word and felt like something was missing from your screen? That something could very well be the Microsoft Word ribbon, the toolbar at the top of the screen that houses all of the editing tools and options you need to make your document just right. Sometimes the ribbon might be hidden, leaving you puzzled about how to access all those helpful features. Well, worry no more. Today, I'll walk you through the straightforward steps to get that ribbon back in view and enhance your document editing experience. Let's begin. First, we need to make our way to Microsoft Word. Start off by hovering over to the Windows Start menu. You'll typically find this at the bottom left corner of your screen. It's the little icon with the Windows logo on it. Click on it to reveal the search bar, a handy tool that will help us locate the application we need without having to scroll through endless lists of software and applications. Once the Start menu is open, it's time to search for Word. Into the search bar that appears, simply type Word. As you type, Windows will begin to filter through all the applications on your computer, narrowing down to Microsoft Word. It's pretty intuitive. After you've typed Word into the search bar, you should see Microsoft Word pop up as one of the top search results. It will be clearly labelled, and you might even recognize the iconic blue and white document logo that Microsoft Word uses. Click on it to open the program. Whether you're a regular at using Word or a newcomer, this step is your gateway to entering the world of document creation and editing. Upon opening Microsoft Word, you'll be greeted with what's called the Word Home. Here you can either start a brand new project by clicking on Blank Document, or dive back into one of your recent documents if you're looking to keep working on something you started earlier. This page is essentially your launchpad in Word, letting you access or begin documents with just a click. Now for the moment we've all been waiting for, bringing the ribbon back into view. To do this, all you need to do is click on any of the tabs you see at the top of the Word window. These tabs include options like Home, Insert, Design, and more, each housing a different set of tools and options. By clicking on any of these tabs, the ribbon will temporarily expand, revealing all the features and functionality nested under that particular tab. But what if you'd like to keep the ribbon visible at all times during your session? Good question. The temporary expansion is useful, but having constant access to the ribbon can streamline your workflow and make editing documents a breeze. Fortunately, keeping the ribbon in view permanently is just as easy as revealing it temporarily. Here's a little tip. Once you've clicked on a tab and the ribbon has expanded, look for a small pin icon at the bottom right corner of the ribbon. Clicking this pin will lock the ribbon in its expanded form, ensuring it remains visible no matter what you're doing in Word. And there you have it, a simple step-by-step guide on how to show the Microsoft Word ribbon. Whether you prefer to have the ribbon always on display, or like the extra screen real estate that comes from keeping it hidden until needed, knowing how to control this feature can greatly enhance your document editing experience. The ribbon is your toolbox, your command center in Microsoft Word, and mastering its display options allows you to tailor the program to suit your individual workflow. Remember, Microsoft Word is packed with features designed to make document creation and editing as intuitive and efficient as possible. The ribbon is just the beginning. By familiarizing yourself with these tools, you empower yourself to take full advantage of what Word has to offer, making your document-related tasks smoother and your final products more polished. Thank you for joining me today. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to like, share, and subscribe for more handy guides and tips. Happy document editing, and see you in the next video.